fast money. Bitcoin hitting a 6-week high today, back above 9,000. But despite the rally, it is not the hottest cryptocurrency out there. There is a fierce civil war brewing in the crypto universe between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. While Bitcoin has soared 19% this past week, that's nothing compared to Bitcoin Cash, which is up about 95% in the same amount of time. So which should you side with in this war? We're getting fun strats. Tom Lee to weigh in on as this battle cry intensifies on both sides. Wow. So you're the general here, Tom. What do we do?
Well, I prefer not to pick winners and losers when, we're looking at cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash.
That's wimpy. Okay.
Yes. So I think both have merits. But if I was putting new money to work today, so a fresh dollar, I would be a lot more interested in buying a laggard that could attract inflows rather than something that's already potentially overbought.
Why is Bitcoin Cash going up so much more than Bitcoin regular, shall we call it?
Why is it the overbought of the two that you were so reluctant to name?
Well, I think part of the interest recently has been because of this upcoming hard fork.
Hard fork, that's when there's
a protocol change taking place.
You have to increase the amount of computing power that is added to create.
God, you get hard fork,
right?
You got that?
Yeah.
Hard fork.
It's not knife or spoon or spork.
It's a hard fork. Hard fork. A spatula.
But I also actually think it's in part to, a few weeks ago, you had another guest on here, Brian Kelly, talking about Bitcoin Cash, and I actually think his new entry actually had something to do with it as well.
Tell me this, Tom McClellan and Jeff Gundlach have both said that they think Bitcoin has acted as a measure of the broader market or a signal of the broader market earlier. So when Bitcoin was going up dramatically, that was a signal that the stock market was going to go up dramatically. And when it started to fall, that the stock market was going to fall. Now, do you believe that at all?
I'm not a huge believer in Bitcoin being a...
So it's interesting that they're trying to make the call between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. And I think Tom Lee makes the right call where you shouldn't really worry about it. I know there's a bunch of people that like to debate over it, but my personal opinion and what I've done for my investment is I don't believe in putting all my eggs in one basket. So I obviously diversified. And because Bitcoin is a much larger market cap, I'm going to feel much safer having a larger share of Bitcoin. And what's interesting is obviously Bitcoin Cash was moving up very quickly. And now that we're in a down market, look, Bitcoin Cash has gone down quicker than Bitcoin. And some of the other smaller coins like Ripple is down 15%. So yes, there's obviously a lot more upside to the smaller coins, but at the same time, you're going to have the issue of increased volatility. So personally, for me, the number one currency I hold is Bitcoin because it is relatively more stable than the other cryptos. And I'm never going to put my eggs in one basket or crypto basket. I do believe in diversification. But let me know what you guys think. You can put your comments and opinions. And unfortunately, we're now finally getting a little bit of a correction in the market. But it was nice to see that massive spike. And you saw the chart before. So yeah, leave some comments what you guys think. And thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.